We are nowhere near the bottom according to Bitcoin's 4-year cycle, and things are a lot worse off than they were last time. Watch to the end for a potential price prediction. The rewards for mining Bitcoin are cut in half every 210,000 blocks mined. This equates to roughly every 4 years. Now, this is repeated 3 times in Bitcoin's history, the first being in November of 2012, the second in July of 2016, and most recently, May of 2020. Now, what usually happens after this halving event is a 1.5-year bull run, which tops out and then starts the bear market that bottoms out in about 1 year. From there, for the rest of the cycle, we move sideways. After the next cycle hits, the process repeats. We hit our current cycle's peak on November 8th of 2021, topping out at about $67,000. Now, by taking the average of the amount of days it took and the amount it fell, we can predict the next Bitcoin bottom. Taking these averages, we can assume in about 386 days from the previous market top, Bitcoin will fall about 85%. This translates to a 10.2K Bitcoin on November 28th of 2022. Now, I am taking this prediction with a grain of salt. Historical data does not guarantee future results. Bitcoin cycles have previously correlated to major market moves up. Global economies were doing great, which is a stark contrast to the universally free-falling markets we're seeing now. Recently, Bitcoin closed under the 200-week simple moving average. Bitcoin also drops below its previous all-time highs for the first time in its history. We're seeing crypto-specific problems like death of a major blockchain and possibly exchanges coming up. On top of this, we're facing a possible recession. With this in mind, we may see prolonged bear markets and may not see a new all-time high in the 4th cycle as we have seen in previous cycles. Despite this, we should still see a substantial move up in Bitcoin. I still plan to accumulate through the bear market and the sideways market up until we hit that bull run. Then we're going to see some sweet, sweet profits.